Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing problem. Okay, so let me show you this problem. If I calling on this device, just you can hear ringing sound, but you cannot see any message or notification so that you can understand who is calling. If I pull down notification bar, also you can see there is not any notification found. But if I open my WhatsApp, as you can see above the screen, here is my incoming call. Also, if I send message on this WhatsApp, it will not showing any notification so that I can understand who is messaging. That's the problem. Now let me show you how we can fix this types of problem. Okay, so just get back and pull down your notification bar. Go to the settings. From here just scroll down. Go to the apps. Again click on apps. Now search here WhatsApp and click on it. Then go to the notification. Now enable this option. That's it. Now just get back. Again if I call on this phone, as you can see now it's showing on the phone home screen. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.